These are some first things to do after getting OneUI 8 update. First app that you should check out for OneUI 8 is from Samsung, and this is Gallery Assistant. It only works on OneUI 8 at the moment. This is a really handy app. You can reduce size of an image, clip an image, add watermark, save as a PDF, and a lot more options are here. So no need to install those third-party apps. This is a free app from Samsung. You see lock screen every time you unlock your Galaxy phone. That's why checking out this dynamic lock screen clock is a must. Long press on your lock screen and tap on clock. Now choose the second font. Then you can pick style 1 or style 2. For example, I like style number 2 here. That's how dynamic lock screen clock will work with all portrait wallpapers. You can try both human and animal portraits. Next up, don't forget to try out new wallpapers option. Long press on your home screen and tap on wallpaper. Choose change wallpaper. Now you'll see here suggested wallpapers that will pick wallpapers from your gallery. But if you scroll down, you'll see colors right here. They have a dynamic wallpaper option and they will change colors throughout the day. Then make sure you turn on call captions. This is a new option. Simply go to your phone dialer and tap on these three dots. Choose settings and turn on call captions. That is right here. You'll see what other person is saying in the form of text. You can also pick languages you want to test out. You can keep an eye on one app while you're using another app. This is a new multitasking option that is there with OneUI 8. Open two apps in multi-window, like I'm doing here. Now you can push one app all the way to the end. Here you go. This might be useful for a lot of people, so do check it out with OneUI 8. Next, Now Brief has been added to Galaxy S24. If you get OneUI on that, I don't use Now Brief a lot, but still it's cool to have this option also being added to Galaxy S24. Audio Eraser has been added to the Gallery app, so if you have any video with some background noise, a small icon will pop right here. Just tap it and background noise will be gone from your video. It uses Galaxy AI to fix that, and it works kinda well. Portrait Studio is now also there for animals. Simply pick picture of any pet you got and use it in the new Portrait Studio with OneUI 8. Now there's a new option to hide Secure Folder. Simply go to Secure Folder and tap on these three dots. You can see this new option that says Hide Secure Folder. Just tap it and you're good to go. You can access Secure Folder by this quick toggle that is right here. So those are a few things that you should check out after getting OneUI 8 on your Galaxy. Let me know in the comments what you think about them, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.